Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Wi-Fi not connecting on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you are trying to connect with the Wi-Fi network but you cannot or your Wi-Fi is not connecting, so let's see how can you easily fix that error. So you have to open up your settings and here go for Wi-Fi section, and here you have to first enable your Wi-Fi and then you have to wait for the network with which you want to connect. For example, I'm going to connect with this one. Simply tap on it, and here you have to try to enter the correct password. So you have to make sure that your password is correct, and once you have entered your password, tap on the done option and your Wi-Fi will be connected. Or if you are having any issue in this step, you have to make sure that your software is up to date, because sometimes it happens that your software is not updated, so you might get these type errors. You have to open general section, go for software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have any software update here, try to update your software. Tap on this update now option, and once you have updated your software, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't, so now what you have to do, you have to open with settings, and here go for the general section, then scroll down and look for transfer reset iPhone. Select that option, tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode. And once you have entered your passcode, all of your internet or network setting will be reset. It will include your Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth. It will not affect on your data, so you can easily try this step. And once you have resetted all your network settings, you will not get any issue of this type. So in this way, you can easily fix if your Wi-Fi is not connecting on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.